KeeperStop.com Goalkeeper Glove Review of the Uhlsport Aquagrip HN. The Uhlsport Aquagrip HN features Uhlsport's Aquagrip. It's innovative, it's patented. This is a great Aquagrip latex. Uhlsport is known for their technology in their palms, and the Aquagrip is one of them. The Aquagrip has high grip elements, the black speckles that you see in there, to increase the durability over its predecessors. But more importantly, obviously great grip in wet conditions. This is right out of the package. So I've used the Aquagrip latex before, so you can even hear it on a brand new ball. This is a glossy ball as well. So great grip and increased durability. The backhand features this really comfortable neoprene body. And in this body material, as you can see, you have a neoprene with a combination of latex. So it's really comfortable and it's really form-fitting. So when you slide it on, you're gonna feel the difference in the comfort and the quality in the Aquagrip HN. You also have the 3D embossing, which is the shock zone. So when you're punching the ball, you have this cushioning area to go ahead and provide you with a little bit more support. Really comfortable, great looking with the blues and those fluorescent greens. The Uhlsport Aquagrip HN features a half negative cut. And this is a unique cut, and they do a really good job with this cut. So for a goalkeeper that has long fingers and narrow palm, male or female goalkeeper, it's gonna fit well. But also, if you're an athletic goalkeeper like me, you have an athletic build, you're not gonna struggle to pull it on because it's a well-designed half negative. How is it a half negative? Is you actually have some roll characteristics on the pointer finger, on the pinky, on the palm side, and on the thumb. So it really does bring the material closer to your hand, but also gives you ultimate latex to ball contact. And to make sure that you have a lot of control of the glove and the catch, now we have that negative cut. And that negative cut, again, for those goalkeepers that like the tighter fit or have long fingers, narrow palms, now we have the seams that are on the palm side as well as on the backhand that are stitched in. It's seamless, you can't feel them, but you have that latex gusset there. So what happens is that finger patch is a little smaller, but it's a little bit tighter, and that gives you more control. So you have this ergonomic hand position and the overall feel of the glove that really does land well when it comes to the overall control of the shot. Another little feature that they've increased in the last year or so is that 12-degree wrist closure. So hand-ready position in the fingers, the way it's stitched, but also in the wrist as well, so your hands are in that proper catch-ready position. Uhlsport thinks of it all. Another great feature of the Uhlsport Aquagrip HN is the overall closure. The closure is really comfortable. Every goalkeeper glove should strive to make the glove easy to get on and off. So as you can see here is you have this semi-elastic full strap, okay? So that's the green part, and the blue part is that latex area. So it pulls in, so you can customize it. But what I love about this is the easy entry system. So you can go ahead and slide your hand in, okay? Pull it on with ease. So I'm on, it's comfortable, so stick that back in there, and then we can customize it how we would like. And what's important about this, something that we don't see often, is that there's no Velcro there, which is great. So we're not gonna damage our other finger as we pull it on. So just go ahead and put it on, and now we're ready to go. The Aquagrip HN by Uhlsport is a great glove. On the pricier side, but well worth it. Why? You're getting a pro-level advanced glove. So this is a college goalkeeper, an advanced youth goalkeeper, or that professional goalkeeper. Available in sizes 7 through 11. Does fit true to size. I wear a size 9, and I have the appropriate fingernail length room up on top. I have no extra room, and it's not so super tight as other negative cut gloves are, and you can't get them on and off. And that is, again, because of that HN cut, as well as the easy entry system. So if you're really looking for a glove that excels in wet weather conditions and that performs well also in dry conditions, this is a great game glove for you. If you have any questions on the Uhlsport Aquagrip HN or any other Uhlsport glove, feel free to contact KeeperStop.com.